All right, so we brought our crack focus group back in to taste our products.
Products.
Was it that?
Oh, yeah, that's
She gave me her cup and her spoon.
Yeah.
See the
Was that
difference?
your spoon?
I believe in saving.
The difference between the
saving
silent generation and the Generation X.
It's actually less tangy.
Is it good? I
Very
haven't tried.
grainy apple.
Very grainy.
Yeah, very.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
That is good. So we made our Granny Smith apple with our concentrated flavoring. We made our lemon with our water ice base. As you can tell, the consistency and smoothness of the products is very similar. The production, the time of the products is very similar. The recipe is a little different. These two products, ideally, we're going to serve at about 19, 20, 21 degrees, and it'll maintain that smoothness and consistency. We may have to pump it, depending on our shelf life and what we do. I'm a fan of that. I think a fresh ice is best. A warm ice is best. And if it takes a little bit of TLC on my end in the operation of my store, oh well, so be it. I have to care what my customers are eating. So we rinsed our machine, and actually we can go on to making hard ice cream. We can go on to making cakes. We can go on to making gelato. The beauty of this machine is it can make anything. It can make anything you want to do, one after another, and it can make it beautifully, consistently, and have that homemade, handcrafted, top quality product that you get when you invest in a piece of equipment like this.